General Liability Insurance Explained, Protecting Your Business, a beginner's guide with tips and tricks. Welcome back to Learnology Zone. I'm Daniel, and today we have an important topic to discuss that's crucial for businesses of all sizes: general liability insurance. Whether you're a small startup or a well-established corporation, understanding this type of insurance is vital for protecting your assets and managing risks. This comprehensive guide will provide you with all the necessary information. 1. What is general liability insurance? To start, let's define what general liability insurance is. General liability insurance, often referred to as GLI, is a fundamental policy that protects businesses from a variety of potential risks. It covers legal costs, medical expenses, and other liabilities if your business is held responsible for bodily injury or property damage to third parties. 2. Who needs general liability insurance? Now, who needs general liability insurance? The short answer is most businesses. It's not limited to specific industries, and the coverage is quite broad. If your business interacts with the public, clients, or has physical premises, this insurance is a must. For example, if you own a store and a customer slips and falls, general liability insurance can cover the medical expenses and potential lawsuits. 3. What does general liability insurance cover? Let's dive into what general liability insurance covers. It typically includes bodily injury, coverage for injuries sustained by someone on your premises or due to your business operations. Property damage, protection against damage to someone else's property caused by your business. Personal and advertising injury. This can include claims of slander, libel, copyright infringement, and more. Legal costs, coverage for legal fees, including attorney fees and court costs. 4. How does general liability insurance work? Now, how does it work? If a covered incident occurs, you'll need to file a claim with your insurance provider. They'll investigate the claim, and if it's approved, they'll provide financial assistance to cover the costs, such as medical bills, legal fees, and settlements, up to the policy's limits. 5. Types of general liability insurance. There are a few different types of general liability insurance policies to consider. Occurrence-based. This covers incidents that occur while your policy is in force, regardless of when the claim is filed. Claims made. This covers incidents only if the policy is in force when the claim is filed. Umbrella liability insurance. This provides additional coverage beyond your general liability policy limits, offering extra protection. 6. How much does general liability insurance cost? The cost of general liability insurance varies based on factors like your business size, industry, location, coverage limits, and claims history. It's essential to get quotes from different insurers to find the best deal for your specific needs. 7. Benefits of general liability insurance. Let's talk about the benefits. Having general liability insurance can provide peace of mind, protect your business from potential financial ruin, and enhance your professional image. Furthermore, it can assist you in obtaining contracts from clients who demand proof of insurance. 8. Tips for choosing the right policy. Choosing the right policy is critical. Here are some tips. 1. Assess your risks. Understand your business risks to determine the appropriate coverage. 2. Shop around. Get quotes from multiple insurers to find the best rate. 3. Consider deductibles. Higher deductibles can lower your premium, but be sure you can cover them if a claim arises. 4. Review policy limits. Ensure your coverage limits are sufficient for your potential liabilities. 9. Frequently asked questions. Now let's address some common questions about general liability insurance. Question 1. Can I get by without general liability insurance? Answer 1. While it's not legally required in most cases, it's highly recommended for most businesses. Question 2. Can I get coverage for specific risks? Answer: yes, you can often add endorsements to your policy to cover specific risks relevant to your business. Question 3. How do I choose the right insurance company? Answer: look for a reputable insurer with a history of strong customer service and quick claims processing. Conclusion. In conclusion, general liability insurance is a crucial aspect of business risk management. It safeguards your business from the unexpected, protecting both your finances and your reputation. Remember that the right policy for your business may differ from others, so do your research, get quotes, and assess your specific needs. Don't overlook this essential aspect of running a business. That's it for today's guide on general liability insurance. If you found this video useful, kindly express your approval by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Feel free to leave any inquiries or suggestions for future videos in the comments section below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming video.